is a view of my parking lot. There's my poor baby, stuck in the snow. Oh, Chris's car is just fine. Awesome. This looks like, well, against the wall. It's definitely up above my waist. Look at the back of the car. It's crazy. I can get to. That's above the car. Look at it. You see the thing sticking out on top of the roof? That's really high. I guess I got nothing to worry about. Ain't nobody getting out of here. Getting out up this hill.